Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect Spotify to Discord. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Discord app. And now what you're going to do is to tap on this smiley icon at the bottom. After that, it will then direct you to this menu page. Now scroll down until you see Connections. Just tap on that. Now right here on Connections, just tap on Add. And then you'll see right here is Spotify. Now just tap on that. It will then direct you to spotify.com, where you can log in to your account. Just enter your username or your email address and then your password. And then tap on Login. It will then automatically connect your Spotify to Discord. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.